Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and today we got a nice watch face to check out by my man VL Watch Faces, and the name of the watch face is called VL Rounded, and it's definitely a rounded watch face. It has rounded dials, looks nice. It's a casual dress down watch face, but it's a nice casual wear, not bad at all. But in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. It's going to be dimmed down in a black and white theme, but they both are going to look nice. Now, what I like about this watch face is how the dials overlap, but it still gives you the information that you're seeking out of a watch face, right? Now, in the center, of course, you're going to get your digital time. I love the font. I like that it's different. You're going to get an AM and a PM stamp right here. You're going to get your battery percentage in that same dial. And then in this dial, you're going to get your date information. Over here in this half dial, you're going to get your heart rate. And right here, you're going to get your steps. And yes, people, it is interactive. So if you need to set an event, you can. If you need to get your heart rate information and status, you can. And also you can get your step information, calories burned also. Now up at the top, I can tweak my watch however I see fit. And also here, I can set an alarm. And yes, I can find my phone. But you know what would have been really nice about that? If when you hit it, it popped up. That would have been cool. This is not a deal breaker at all. I'm just saying that would have been nice. But you can also customize the background theme. Just tap right here and you can change the color theme of the background. Has several to choose from. Just continue to double tap till you get to the color you like. And it's not bad. This is really, really nice. I like it, but that's not it. Let's double tap over here and you can change the look of the dials. Not bad. And you have several colors to change to with this one as well. So you can mix and match, right? But check this out. In the center, not bad. So you got full customization so far as the colors is concerned. But this one is nice. I'm liking it. But at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. So hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.